Hi everybody and welcome to TrueWants. So here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. Well, we are busy here at TrueWants because as I share with you all the time, as soon as I know something, I want you to know it too so that we can be in the know together. So depending how the information flows and what shows up at the front door, some days we have multiple videos and this seems to be one of them. So if you want to make sure that you are in the know and you are looking for a channel that really focused on the brands, the products, the deals, be it if they're subscription boxes or the retail world. We already have up for over a week now, the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty, a really good informative walkthrough. I like going in depth. I love sharing my experiences with you when I've had the opportunity to use the products, but this channel is about sharing information. So when we get spoilers or we find more information, I sit down and I film, but the best part about this channel is what I call our water cooler, which is our comment section down below. So if you've had the experience with any of the products that we're going through in today's video, please take the time to share, because not only do I read those comments, I take the time to respond to them as well as everyone else that is part of our community. So if you want to be part of the growth, hit that subscribe button that you see right underneath this video and you're in. It's free. It's that easy, but now you're part of the growth and you'll also now have access to our community tab so that when we have new videos, I'll be able to then put them there so you will be able to keep up with all of the information that comes through TrueWants. But also when I don't need to do a video, but I want to make sure that you don't miss out on a deal, I'll be putting it in the community tab. And the only way you see that is if you are subscribed to the channel, which is free. So make sure you hit that subscribe button right underneath this video that says subscribe. Hit that thumbs up if you enjoy this type of content. And don't forget, there is that new hype feature that if you want to use it for TrueWants to push these video outs any quicker, we always welcome it here. We just ask that you share in the comments that you did. So today's video is going to be a little bit of a mixture. I'm going to have a separate video already up for the edit. The edit is a fantastic box that IPSY has now been doing monthly, which is amazing, but it is available through the shop. So once you are a member of IPSY, be it through the Glam Bag, which is $15 a month, or the Extra, which is $32 a month, you will have access to the shop, which where all the deals are. So you want to make sure that to sign up, be it if it's that $15 a month or the $32, so that you can have access to the shop, which will include this new edit box that is not a subscription. It is pretty much what I like to call a takeover box. And we're going to be going through that in today's video as well. So we're going to have a good glimpse of what they can have in store for us for the shop for September. And that's what today's video is going to be about. So I'm going to pause the video right here. I'm going to get some pictures up on the screen. And then there's a lot of information that is sent via IPSY, but it's very tongue-in-cheek. So we're going to have a lot of fun with some of the descriptions in today's video as well. All right. So give me 1 sec and we will be right back. Okay. So we're starting off strong with September's reveal of the edit. Now remember, this is in the shop. This is not a subscription, but it is, like you can see, a takeover box of one brand. They also always come with the most beautiful bag included at a really good price, but the price we will only know at the beginning of the month. If I find it out earlier, I will definitely share that with you. But what they are saying here is breaking news. Hold your fingers to your earpiece. Curtain bangs are back for fall. Let the haters rev their engines, but as for us and for us now, we'll be challenging our inner Elle Woods. I got bangs with a single wisp of frizz in sight, thanks to this ultimate bundle of 6 iconic products featuring the viral Dream Coat, the Supernatural Spray, the Hydrating Money Mist Leave-In Conditioner, and a sleek black travel bag housed your glass hair essentials. Now, this is one that I will have a separate video on so we can go in depth in each one of the products to go through all that. But like I said, in reference to the price, we'll know that as soon as it opens up in the shop. But this is a good sneak peek to know what we can expect in September, and especially with the edit. The next item that we have is from Lys Beauty, and a few of you got the opportunity to even have this as choice more recently in your extras. This is a full-size item. I did not get this as a choice, so if you are more familiar with this product in particular, please make sure to share. This is called the Bright Start Creamy Airbrushed Concealer, and I really do enjoy my Lys products. I just have not had the opportunity to try this one yet. I have their other concealer. It says, if your dream's career involves a ring light, your moment has arrived. It's packed with skin-loving hyaluronic acid. It also has niacinamide and green tea extract. This is a hydrating, buttery, buildable formula that instantly brightens under the eyes, as well as dark spots, while blurring imperfections into a seamless, soft, focused finish. It has a built-in sponge tip for a mess-free application. They're saying consider it your secret weapon for looking camera ready and fully rested, even if only things you were tired of is waiting for the next season of the White Lotus to drop. I like the White Lotus. I hope you guys do too. So that is the next item that they are revealing for the shop. The next one we have seen before, and this is always when we get these products in the shop. More recently in the Mega Drop Shop, I think I've seen one of her palettes for around $20, which is crazy. And this is where you think about gift giving, because when you give somebody who is a beauty lover a gift from brands like Natasha Denona, they don't know what you spent. Everything comes in the full retail packaging, and it is just amazing to see their faces when they unbox beauty from these type of brands, which are really luxury premium brands that we get access to at really affordable prices through our IPSY membership. This is a Glam Face palette. This one they're saying is in dark. It says if you didn't get a summer vacay, they're saying while on an airline miles, don't cover a power trip. This palette friendly product will deliver it. They're saying this is a personal glam squad in a pocket-sized palette. It's packed with 5 buttery eyeshadows, each named for its application area, so you don't have to guess. It also has a velvety cream blush and a wet powder highlighter. That will give you that luxe glam. Also, a smoldering glow wherever you go. They're saying it's perfect for travel or taking your look from daytime at the desk to your nighttime dates. They're saying no rules are needed here. So that is another one that I think is an absolute win. Also, the next product is one that if you didn't get it like I didn't, it is not going to be available in the shop from Laura Geller. It is her On and On Lashes Length Mascara. And a lot of people who didn't get the, or did get like I did, because I have 2 paid for accounts, the ultimate box that gave everybody the Makeup by Mariam mascara. And then some of them had the opportunity to get, I don't know if this was a power pick, because I didn't even have this as an option in my box, from Laura Geller, this mascara. Everyone said they preferred this mascara over the Makeup by Mario. They're saying, in a world increasingly obsessed with making everything shorter and clickbaity, we find ourselves more drawn to slowing down and enjoying the length. Long walks, long days spent with friends, long novels, and of course me here at TrueWants, long form content. They're saying this is gonna give you long lashes. They're saying it is so natural. They are mega fans of this high impact formula that's made to lengthen, stretch, separate, and coat every single lash without clumping or flaking. It'll give you that sky high fluttery drama that lasts from breakfast to bedtime and keeps going on and on and on. And the reviews on this were really, really strong based on the few people that I had the opportunity to watch who got this product plus the Makeup by Mario. The next one is by Dr. Murad, and I'm always happy when we get these brands in the shop because, again, this is a high-end luxury skincare brand that I used to pay full retail dollars for. This is their Restorative Hydro Hyaluronic Cream. They're saying, allow us to introduce the artistry formerly known as Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisture. Now rocking a shiny new name and an eco-friendly refillable pod, but still packing the exact same cult favorite formula. It's charged with multi-weight hyaluronic acid, rich shea butter, a coconut extract, and this decadent cream acts like a massive drink of water for that thirsty skin. While sealing in moisture for 24 hours of a non-greasy plumpness, it is the ultimate deep hydrating cream to restore your skin barrier and combat that late summer dehydration well into fall. The next is another brand that is amazing, and that is Elemis. This is another brand that if you have not had the opportunity to try it, you'll be able to try it at a really heavily discounted price through the shop. This is their Pro Collagen, which is the line that a lot of us got introduced to Elemis by, with their cream for the face, their moisturizer. This one is really special. It is their Eye Revive Mask. And it says, if we were participating in the 5 things worth the money, trend currently taking over your FYP, this 3-in-1 multitasking wonder could easily claim a spot. Functioning as an overnight mask and an under-eye primer, this is a daytime rescue balm that bounces cooling gel. It is powered by a flash filler hyaluronic acid as well as Mediterranean Padina pavonica algae that instantly depuffs and plumps, and your skin will feel smooth. They're saying, consider this your ultimate secret for looking like you drink more water. They're saying, then you obviously do. But this really is one that I did not know, that a lot of people use this as an overnight mask for their eyes. I have always used this as an under eye primer. So this is really, really nice as well. The next is another brand you hear me talk about on the channel a lot as well, and that is Korres. Now with Korres, this is their body smoothing milk in white blossom. They're saying if you are looking for a fully embracing your soft baddie era, this lightweight daily body lotion is about to become your post-shower non-negotiable. It is powered by Greek almond oil, active aloe, and shea butter. This is a 92% natural origin formula that sinks in instantly to lock in 24 hours of a silky hydration without a trace of grease or stickiness. This is a subtle, delicate scent of white roses, zesty bergamot, a soft white musk, and it will leave you smelling like a spa day and feeling like we have our whole life together. I really enjoy Korres. It is truly an apothecary brand. A lot of the ingredients are grown in their personal fields. It is just an amazing, amazing brand, and it is out of Greece. Really, really fantastic. Now we're going to get into hair care from a brand that, again, we feel very lucky that we have a connection via IPSY to get this brand, and it is called Olaplex. Now this is their number 5. This is a bond maintenance conditioner. It says, consider this your suave secret agent of your shower routine. It's equipped with a license to repair and a high-tech bond building tech that can even make even Q jealous. That's a quote from 007. They're saying this is powered by patented technology that rethinks broken hair bonds at a molecular level. This is a rich formula that detangles, it hydrates, and it strengthens your heat-damaged or color-treated strands in just 3 minutes. They're saying you apply it from the mid-lengths to the end to keep your hair looking sleek, mysterious, as well as entirely unbothered by the daily environmental stressors. So that is another one. The next one is from R+Co, but this is from their higher-end line that is called Bleu. So this is their retroactive, it is a dry shampoo. It says, if only there was a magic powder to reactivate and erase our late night impulse texts, and the same speed to a luxury dry shampoo can erase oil. This is an absorbing grease with translucent, finely milled powder. It also has a micro-encapsulated sugar molecule that performs oil cleanup so gently and effectively. They're saying it belongs in a Dawn dish soap duck commercial. Considering it your blowout's ultimate revival secret for second day hair that stays weightless, touchable, and completely residue free with no chalky white cast in sight. The next we're getting into some hair tools, and some of my favorite hair tools I actually got via IPSY as well. This is a brand that is called Fox Bay Hair. This is going to be their rose gold titanium 1.75-inch flat iron. They're saying hit every section in one pass. This is an extra wide, that 1.75-inch rose gold titanium plate will heat up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. That cuts your styling time down in half. It says, cue yourself performing the viral, but where? Shrug transition on your FYP, looking like a red carpet ready 10 with a blinding glass hair shine that deserves its own paparazzi team. Now all you need is the iconic destination to show off your new sleek hairstyle, even if that destination is just that self-checkout line that you have to go through. The next is going to be perfume. And this is another brand that if it wasn't for IPSY, I wouldn't be familiar with it, and it is so good. This is a brand that is called Skylar. This is going to be their nude skin rollerball. They're saying if your toxic trait is wanting people to ask what perfume are you wearing, just so you can say, oh, I'm not wearing anything, meet your new co-conspirator. This is a warm, creamy blend of vanilla, tiger orchid, gold amber, and pineapple splash. They're saying this is a hyperallergenic rollerball that meets into the pulse points for you but better vibe that doesn't scream fragrance aisle. It creates a cozy, clean sheet, sun-warmed skin aura that practically invites people into your personal space, making it that ultimate secret weapon for those walks, for those airport runs, and that low-key date where the goal is looking and smelling effortlessly sensational. Now, so many of us tried and started with their vanilla scent, but if you've tried this one that they're calling nude, I would love to know that as well. The next one is one that we saw prior to, but now it's going to be available in the shop. This is from the brand that is called Clean Beauty Collective. This is from their Reserve collection, and this is the one that's in Caramel Swirl. So if they're saying your current hyperfixation is smelling like a literal snack, this is a decadent gourmand that is about to become your entire personality, dripping in caramelized coconut, mango nectar, whipped cream, and white chocolate. It is basically the beauty equivalent of the luxury girl dessert in a bottle. It says spritz it on for a mouth-watering tropical sweet fragrance that leaves lingering trail of high-end French pastries wherever you wander, but no baking required. Is that not fun? So those are a lot of the current sneak peeks that they are giving for us for September. And as soon as I had the opportunity to find out about them, I had to make sure to sit down and film and share them with you as well. So keep your eyes open for the sneak peek for the edit, where we're going to go more in depth in reference to that one. But here is some of the items that will be highlighted for us this time around. So again, this is really exciting when we get to see what IPSY has in store for us in our near future. And so this is one that if you've watched all the way to the end, which we always appreciate here at TrueWants because we don't edit, we do all of our research ahead of time so that I can share as much information as quickly as possible for you. Just leave in the comments good things are coming, because that is how I always feel when I have the opportunity to share with you these spoilers for the shop for the following month. So we're just days away from starting off a new month with so many exciting new products that we're going to have the opportunity to enjoy, but also now to indulge in through the shop as well. So make sure to share in the comments if you've had the opportunity to use any of these products. But like I said, in reference to the edit, I will have another video up that's going to go more in depth. But as soon as we know the reveal of the pricing, I will do my best to pin it in the comment under the edit video. And that's it for this one, guys. So everybody continue to stay safe and well so we can enjoy this time together. And if you are new here, we really hope that you will join the growth of our community here that we have at TrueWants simply by subscribing. It's free, it's easy. You just have to hit that subscribe button that you see right underneath this video and you're in. Don't forget the thumbs up if you enjoy this type of content, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the comments, which not only do I read, I take the time to respond to as well, because I love being able, you guys having the opportunity to enjoy as well as share your experiences, which I learn from as well. And that's it for this one, guys. So as always, I appreciate any time that you take out of the day to send it and spend it here at TrueWants and being part of the growth of the channel. It really means everything and more. And that's it for this one. So everybody continue to stay safe and well, and I'll see you all soon again in the next one. Bye for now.